Samsung 256GB EVO Plus Class 10 UHS-I microSDXC U3 with adapter MB-MC256GA. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I have two so far. I just bought a second Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam for my MBZ SUV. I have had one in my Tesla Model S for a couple years and have been very happy with it. I wish I had bought one for my Honda SUV because my wife was a victim of a hit and run on the I-405 San Diego freeway and was pushed into the right side freeway sound wall. I would have had evidence for the California Highway Patrol to find the culprit. I will get another for the Honda or its replacement if the insurance company deems it totaled. Check out the video and descriptions of the data from this unit. The video resolution and coverage from the front and rear cameras is amazing. I highly recommend this camera or the newer model. I have already recommended to family and friends. Worth paying extra for the quality. I've recently bought a few different SD cards and now I will stick to Samsung. The cheaper ones seem to often have trouble loading files correctly and don't always have the storage space they advertise. With the Samsung I haven't had any trouble and size is as claimed.